Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart is a 2021 platformer and action-adventure video game developed by Insomniac Games and published by Sony Interactive Entertainment. It is the 16th installment in the Ratchet and Clank series, announced June 11, 2020. It is also a sequel to Ratchet and Clank, Into the Nexus.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart will not feature co-op or multiplayer of any kind. This was officially confirmed by the developer. Longtime fans of the series will know that co-op, and even competitive multiplayer game modes, are nothing new to the franchise.
Take our lead.
The answer is no, unfortunately. Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart has no co-op or multiplayer features whatsoever. It's strictly a single-player experience, though one that's varied, accessible to all ages and skills levels, and a hell of a lot of fun to play.
Make your mark, take our lead.
There are 9 total planets in Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, all serving a vastly different purpose than one another and varying in size. Some maps are gigantic and have many story-heavy missions, causing them to spend a lot of time in them and even revisit them later.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.